How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to show you a part now and then I will add in the other part later, so I'll be dressed different and everything just because of time constraints and a few other things going on. But what is that about, you may ask? Yep, Squeal and Squeal on the car and Squeal and Squeal on the tires. So let's get to it. Alright, here we are, January, and I'll put the exact date in the video because I didn't look at my phone before I came out. But I wanted to post the video up there when I applied the Squeal and Squeal to this beautiful car. And this is one of my favorites. I've got that, I've got the Tahoe, but this is one of my favorites still. It's just so much fun to drive. But I wanted to give you an update on the Squeal and Squeal. How is it still holding up? Well, here you go. Look at that wonderful beating that the Squeal and Squeal still has on it. Here we are months after, and I'll put the exact dates and everything in the video as I always do. But look at that, still beating like crazy. The RainX still doing this wonderful job on there. So this is kind of a combo update video, if you will. Still beating on top of the car, the back windows, the sides, and as we're standing out here, it is starting to rain again. So I'm going to get my butt back inside. But I just wanted to give you an update video because I have not given you one.
Say what?
Since applying this, and here we are several months after doing so. And I just wanted to give it to you. And it'll probably be the last one because the next video I do on this car will be applying a new product that hasn't even been released yet by the great makers of Lithium Auto Care. So we'll see in that video. You guys get out there and enjoy your car like I'm doing mine, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.